In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Malwarebytes. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with Malwarebytes installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Malwarebytes forum. And that's because here we can find a download link that gives us an offline installer. That means that we can install Malwarebytes without an internet connection. And here is the link. I will click on it and the download should start for me. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And here I have my installation file and also the NuGet package. I will double click on the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet Package Explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools. Then I will click on Add Existing File. And I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I will double click on Chocolatey Install and then on this Edit button. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that is responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, then it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go to my package and insert the snippet here. And for it to work, we need to provide few values. For example, here we need to provide our installation file name. And for that, I will go back to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, select rename. I will select full name to include the extension, then right click again and copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. For the package name, I will enter Malwarebytes. Then for the file type, I will enter exe because our installation file has .exe extension, and we want to provide silent switches because we need Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switches that I will be using. So I will click on the button right here to copy the values. Then I will go back to my package and insert the values here. And we're done modifying the snippet. Now we can save it by clicking on the save button. And now I will go back to my package. And now I need to provide few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Malwarebytes. Then for the package version, I will enter 4.6.7.301. At least I think that this is the current version for this executable. For the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation, and for the package description, I will enter my Malwarebytes package. And that's it. That's all the mandatory information that we need to provide. We can save the bits of information by clicking on this button right here. And now we have our package. Now we need to save it. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. And I will also be using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's click on the Save button, and now we can try to install the package. And for that, I will open my terminal application, and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to execute the installation. And here I will type choco install. Then we need to provide our package ID that we provided for our package here. So I'll enter Malwarebytes. And because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and my downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. If I go to my start menu, then all apps, we should find Malwarebytes here, and here it is. I will click on it. Let's click on get started, maybe later, and open Malwarebytes free. And it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.